Astronomers using NASA's James Webb Space Telescope have made a surprising discovery that might help us understand how life begins. They found that a distant, young star system is soaked in alcohol. Yes, real alcohol, the kind found in drinks, and also contains acetic acid, which is the main ingredient in vinegar. Of course, this alcohol isn't floating around like in a bar, but it's locked in icy dust grains that surround newborn stars. This might sound strange at first, but it's actually a big deal in the search for life beyond Earth. These alcohol and acid molecules are what scientists call complex organic molecules, or COMs. Such molecules are considered essential for life as we know it. They contain carbon and other elements arranged in ways that can lead to the formation of even more complicated compounds, like amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, and, eventually, life itself. Until now, astronomers had mostly detected these kinds of molecules in gas form, floating in the space between stars. But this new discovery is the first time they've been clearly found in ice, deep in the cold parts of a star-forming region. This tells scientists that important chemical reactions are happening directly on the icy surfaces of tiny dust grains in space. Here's why this matters. When stars and planets form, they do so from huge clouds of gas and dust. These dust grains, which are covered in ice and organic molecules, start sticking together, forming clumps that grow into comets, asteroids, and eventually full-sized planets. That means that the same chemicals forming on the icy dust can be delivered directly to planets, possibly even to young Earth-like planets in other parts of the galaxy. Scientists believe something like this might have happened on Earth long ago. In the early days of our solar system, icy comets and asteroids likely crashed into Earth, bringing with them water and a rich mix of organic molecules. These ingredients could have helped spark the chemical processes that eventually led to life. So when astronomers find alcohol and vinegar floating around a baby star system, they're not just discovering strange cosmic cocktails. They're uncovering clues about how life might begin in the universe. The fact that these molecules can form in space and survive the journey to planets makes it more likely that life could also emerge elsewhere, not just on Earth. In short, this discovery shows that the building blocks of life don't just form here on our planet. They are likely forming all over the galaxy, even in the frozen darkness around young stars. And thanks to powerful tools like the James Webb Space Telescope, we are now beginning to see just how rich and complex space chemistry really is.